Hey guys, if you guys want to earn some quick and easy money just like I did, there's this website called Rewards Feed where you can earn money like in a snap. Literally, guys, this website is 100% real and 100% free. If you guys don't believe me, drop some comments, I'll answer your comments. But literally, guys, all you have to do is start some tasks, do some tasks. As you guys can see here, you guys will earn money depending on how much the tasks are worth. Or you guys could also invite friends and family and you guys will also earn money that way. As you can see, I made $361 and I literally started yesterday. You guys could make way more than me depending on how many tasks you do and how many people you invite. Once you earn enough money, then you could cash out or pay out. Literally, you could use PayPal or any other of these payment methods. Or you guys could also redeem your balance in gift cards. As you see, they have Amazon, PlayStation, Xbox, iTunes, Google Play Store, and Steam. Literally, guys, this is a quick and easy way to make money if you're bored. Like I said, if you're feeling sketchy about this, drop a comment, I'll answer it. Also, guys, use my link in the description to get a free $25 to start you off. Hope this was helpful. Like I said, any questions, drop them. Start earning money, guys. It's quick, simple, easy. Just like that, I can make $25 for answering some questions or downloading apps for 30 seconds. Literally, guys, I'm telling you, easy.